My castle. Oh my goodness. Nana Joasewa. Also, Jerry, kindly wish my husband, Captain Dr. Isaac Boabeng, a belated birthday for me. Yesterday was his birthday. Please wish him long life and good health for me and tell him I love him. Now, I do love him very much. Thank you. Patrol sitting out if you didn't born here, then you know, I'm in Germany. Nana Joasewa. Kwame Ketch is a brother today. That Nigeria call across me, so I know forget. That guy make I laugh. I said that quite just brother. I'm doing the listening loud and clear, and I love the show like never before. Keep it up, and happy birthday to Benny Safwa. Chumu also say, oh Chumu, forget about that one. Kofi Simpe also I'm loving your discussion with Prophet Kumchacha. The Ghana Pentecostal Council and the other religious organizations are toothless bulldogs. Besides, the media is partially to be blamed as well for engaging these prophets. Okay, baby, I do about the consensus here. Baby, Dinko consensus. Manfo baby send the shouts to Sofgum Church. I said no creamy will be a seminar kind of Danukum, Sabe Nanity. I mean, so you can get on Twitter, follow me on Twitter at Jerry Justice and see all the wonderful tweets and comments about Fonso Passe around the discussions that we had on the show. You can read all of them, right? It's baby I do yeah the fella bro and said they make catch on Monday. Sister Sandy be a guy or buy no creamy no teams I buy one with you I'm so go to the hospital to go to receive treatment so in place of it today no and next something wow big is beautiful the feeling the or can I get off that's not for something Jerry do you are there after you picture me have new trainer yeah I'm saying yes I didn't woman time so you are kwaba
yeah
na bibia woko there
nyame adomeja say ja ye de concern ye ni tia ye ntie no na ebusu
no ja flu ye me enko
na de ja say him trending issue on board yeah Shatawale ni stone boy afeni and then omo call court court charge omo na emsa sempe wom say ya grant omo bill
okay
to a tune of yes 50,000 dollars each
okay
into omo no na de charge to and de obetu ya say copem say court be santina say 20th June just say they all have to be of good behavior.
Wow.
Yes, in Tikrowe they have to be sure. They all have to comport themselves and be of good behavior. Copem say court be sign etnas. Na say Andre Mohona press release for be signed by na no dey free Shatawale camp. Na no say oh just say Charterhouse for the two suffer and say Ombra be a VGM no memorable. Then a man for Shatawale
memorable no
and I akwa agrone when you saw and I say munye we na say Charterhouse after one way you know what to hibernation be mfia brana be memorable no no say diplomats na man for VIP bodyguards dey in konya hwehwe man for team nsensem I don't remember. He has a memorable Nicosin.
How?
Memorable. Then only when Nino woman on the Casus or the co stage. Now, no memory when a woman. I call him memorable. I say, and press release in the best and near trim with the kind of brain and your king dear. Yan collar, near to come.
Yeah.
And to Unjaika. Nature and that's and some more coso. I all be the pump the sack or the what Jim. Eh, now I say, or didn't who Jim Yeja. And Cabra and artists of the decade, the amount title Godfather, and Kawood tear. Oh, Penin tear. And Couts nature was share. And son now baking now. And then, yeah, sorry, I am Eja. Anoma social media Twitter is what. Sack the account. The uncle shall or say on dear. Nini Shatawale, or say my brother Shatawale. I won't say not dear. Or to me money bufu dear. Now so or every right so money bufu. Theo, Sako de new. or every right, Shatawale will every right to obey to me, I'm going to focus. They are humans, both of them are humans. Now, as I'm say, you can't take away how dope Shatawale is. Yes. For Ben, me Miss reportage. It's with them. Mankind, the exact tweet.
Read everything ahead.
My brother Shatawale can get me mad into brackets because I'm human, and I have every right to. Same as him, but I will never ever let that take away how dope this brother is in my eyes, and he knows that for sure.
I know when you are for Bianca be.
And when you say brasa, I say brasa kanka what dear anka yebu penyu.
Never understand.
I say brasa kanka yebu penyu, and I say Adreno, I say who ye Jacob Akowenu.
Hey, I saw very grass.
I say Oji artist of the decade, no Adreno 2 stages so now near Quadia. Yeah, whoso.
There be Adwe or Cananu to grass and you.
Oh, and then penny for say, Anka Asama Coswiti. We are artists, if you are condemning, condemn.
Yeah, I mean, just condemn.
You don't choose sides at this point in
time.
But
see up there, what can you do?
There be timing is everything.
Yeah.
And in all your dealings, no, they're saying, Finanza et Sako the way and Fatana Bakusi.
This one.
Just a while, I have a man for bomb and for Godfather. Just say, this is in collaboration.
Now, see, now, baby,
well, you say both. Breaking you say both.
A comfortable situation for you.
So, breaking you say both.
Dopeness, bang, now, win.
Say, Anka, a dog, Pankana, one just to try and bullet TB. Who breaking you say both record? What's that? Dopeness. Well, just say, shut up, movement. So we are say, we bra. I say, start dear. Why yet to? Just how they be beyond episode with the trend. Now wait there call go be pan away, you know. I say wait there no can a drone move. And see Bema, I was say or baby because when we need some control this damage.
Wow.
Yeah, let's
see how it goes.
Any yeah she. Now I say ja. And baby jet. I want a monk. I say a baby jet say press release. Now I feel I can't bro
serious. I mean, we did this short time here.
Now, some who's a meeting type private partner. But Naka, I'm saying Friday in Julia, but I was saying the press release of the year. As a Majan, Milimano. Hey, Naka press release there. When I started press release with my mother once said, or you all say, I still don't understand what that means. No, as a Majan, how? Baby Jets, how? And I say, father of the land.
We create there. I mean, press statement. I would do about ya can
make and your children.
Say, apart from a Saturday or the buy, he say the cheetah phone. Almost the back we buy. Oh yeah.
I just can't think I just can't think madness.
We can't even have there. Now they cry by force.
No. Now I say when I say as a Majan say one pound bro for the card they are on time pecker. Now we pan what sense I try bro for 1.5 pages. Now I try bro for you na ya jatum say okay. Eja when you know the way jai boy ni boy money you we jai that na fear na she nkola na chi. Na and that's where to her and father of the land and president Akasente Eja what's the sound adwin wo call back. And a man for bisa say oh Asamoah until Pacha say your mother once told you in nature and just oh mommy sisi a bogos sisi a we fin your mommy can you know
this one the president of the land
hey
was also
was Asamoah sell out no mommy was selling the mommy out mommy can say I was say what I mean efficiency here in the court here where will be me Ephesians verse 7 don't forget what your mother said Asamoah has forgotten. Can you imagine? When the one check it, the one said Ephesians 6 verse 7 don't forget what your mother said Asamoah has forgotten. I say Asamoah bobo Enti, Roger, I want to say, I mean, atmosphere anymore, say, I cried, and so. As a man, AG, my need to
or the noom.
Enti, and a fellow. And some day, your fifi may be any.
All right, OG, something can't show, say,
rapping, you can't say my friend.
Okay, you also a friend.
My friend.
Oh my goodness. Oje my feel ba. I said this trip was to do a better crans on Saba Ghana. Anyway, greetings going out to you. Yeah, fast like